Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm outside the Mary Sol Hotel, just there where I'm staying, and I'm going to show you the walking tour towards Los Cristianos Market. So let's check it out. So there's two gates, you can come out either one of them and turn left. So you go down this way towards Cardiac Hill. There's a mobility centre. It's a really good place for disabled people, the Mary Sol Hotel. I really like it. I couldn't tell if it was Mar Y Sol Hotel or Mary Sol. I get told two different things, but I believe it's Mary Sol. Why don't they just call it Mary with the Y joined on, but I don't know. Mary Sol Hotel. There's a Oliviana Apart Hotel. Here, and this is us going to Cardiac Hill. For people with mobility issues, it's quite handy to be halfway up Cardiac Hill if you're going to go to the Mirador strip, which is just there. This is Cardiac Hill. I keep saying, see if you're here, there's an ice cream. Me and Jacqueline always get a Raffaella ice cream. You'll get one in here. It's a bit busy down there, so I'm going to cross over here. For filming it's a wee bit easier to just walk down here. But it's a nice enough walk either way. I don't like talking when there's crowds of people. It feels really strange to be doing this, walking about talking to myself basically. Took a bit to get used to, but part of it is I'm on holiday. The people I'm walking past, I'm seeing them for a fraction of a second. I'm never going to see them again, so I'm not going to be embarrassed and shy. I'm just going to go for it, because you only get one life, and being a travel YouTuber, that's not a bad thing to do. So I got my inspiration from Scotsman Kevin, so I have to say, if you're looking for an expert in Tenerife, he is the man, especially Los Cristianos, because I know he really likes Los Cristianos. And he's even got his wee picture up on the mural, and I'll leave a link in the description, or the comment section, sorry, and you can see my wee video where I got to meet Scotsman Kevin, sort of. Got to go and see his mural. Aye, and he did give me permission to do that. So if you're watching, Kevin, thank you very much. I did thank him in the video, but it's nice to give credit. Nice to give credit, it's my Scotchness. It's nice to give credit. Credit where it's due. He is the man that inspired me to do this. So, I'm going down here. Just a straight walk. I mean, you could go down there, but just because I'm filming, it's easier. Oh, it's a hot day. I've been filming all morning. I've been out for about 3 or 4 hours. And I'm almost finished. I can't wait to finish and go in the pool. Really hot bever. Have to say, I like the pool in the Mary Sol Hotel. There's 3 pools. One of them's getting refurbished, and one of them I think is a cold water pool. The other one's heated. So I say cold water pool, but a normal pool. But one is heated, and it's a heated one I like, 'cause it's got the wee bits and bobs of the water coming down on you and stuff like that. But it is a really good pool. So I think I'll be going in the cold pool. So I really need to cool down. So we're almost there at the market. I'm hoping I make it, because my last video I had my charger in my phone, and in this heat that's a bad thing. It overheats your camera, but It does have protection, so it cuts off if it gets too hot. So the battery extension's off, so I'm hoping this works out all right. And then I'll do a wee tour of the market. Should say there's Charlie's Bar. Quite good deals there. It's around €15 for a 3-course meal. It's a set menu, mind you, but I think that's quite a good deal. So let's check this out. So there's the market, right next to the Arona Grand Hotel. And up there's the H10 Big Sur Hotel. I've stayed in that, it's a nice hotel. So here we are at the market. It's quite a decent sized market, and I'm looking forward to having a wee look around. I always like to go around the markets and get my spices and things. And in the Canaries there's a jar of curry powder you get. I can't remember the name of it, but it's really good. And I could not find it anywhere else in Spain, so I'm going to go and try and get that. So I'll do a wee video of the market, and I'll leave the link here. You just click on the end screen and see what you think, let me know what you think. I'm doing a whole series of videos in Tenerife. I'm doing Los Cristianos, Las Americas and Costa Adeje. So if you want to check them out, check out my channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It would really help me out. Right, thank you very much folks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.